Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carbon steel wok is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their culinary game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the ability to quickly and evenly cook ingredients while imparting that signature wok hay flavor is a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of carbon steel woks, exploring what makes them so special and why they might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Souped Up Recipes 12.5-inch Carbon Steel Wok Set. Get ready to cook right away. This wok is pre-seasoned, so you can start making delicious stir-fries, crispy deep fries, and perfectly seared dishes immediately. It's also great for soups and stews. This carbon steel wok can handle extremely high temperatures without damage, unlike those with Teflon coatings. You can use metal utensils without worrying about scratches. With proper care, it's built to last a lifetime. Worried about rust? Don't be. The set includes simple care instructions to keep it in top shape. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. This wok works on electric, induction, and gas stoves. It's designed for versatility and ease of use. It's brought to you by Souped Up Recipes. Access to over 200 video recipes is included, many of which can be made using this wok. Over 1 million subscribers trust the recipes. You'll be making takeout favorites at home. The set includes a 12.5-inch wok, a stainless steel spatula, a wooden lid, and a user guide. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This wok is ready to go right out of the box, pre-seasoned for immediate use. It can handle extremely high heat and is scratch-resistant, so you can use metal utensils without worry. If you are a beginner or have had trouble with carbon steel woks in the past, this one includes simple care instructions and video recipes, making it perfect for anyone new to wok cooking. What people say. The hammer marks on this new Souped Up Recipes wok are more pronounced, so should serve the same purpose even better. The flat bottom is a little easier to deal with on the stove. After seasoning again, and doing some deep frying, this wok is perfectly seasoned and completely non-stick. Number 4. Carbon Steel Wok, 13-inch, pre-seasoned. This carbon steel wok is pre-seasoned for a natural non-stick surface. It's treated at high temperatures for excellent wear resistance. It's perfect for all your cooking needs. The wok reacts quickly to heat adjustments, locking in the flavor of your ingredients. Its design ensures heat is distributed evenly. This allows the burner flames to visibly hug the wok. This flat-bottomed wok is ideal for home use on any stovetop. You can use it for stir-frying, pan-frying, braising, and deep frying. It is a versatile tool for various cooking techniques. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip and protects against burns. It's 13 inches wide and can serve at least 3 to 6 people. This is perfect for family meals or small gatherings. The vertical lid is easy to grip and can stand upright on your counter. The set also includes a silicone spatula. This makes cooking even more convenient. This wok pan comes with a lifetime quality assurance. If you have any issues, please contact us. Add it to your cart and start a new chapter in your cooking life. What we like. This wok is pre-seasoned and features a natural non-stick surface, ensuring your food won't stick. It is designed to lock in the juices and flavors of your ingredients. If you are looking for a versatile wok that can handle various cooking techniques like stir-frying, braising, and deep frying, this is the one for you. What people say. The non-stick coating works beautifully, food slides right off, and cleanup is effortless with just a quick rinse or wipe. The build quality feels sturdy, yet it's not too heavy, making it easy to maneuver while cooking. The pan heats evenly and quickly. It's pre-seasoned, making it easy to use, and it's non-stick. Number 3. YOSUKATA 13.5 Carbon Steel Wok Pan. Experience genuine wok flavor with this YOSUKATA 13.5 flat-bottom carbon steel wok. It's designed to lock in juices and flavors, perfect for Asian dishes. This wok is ideal for both home and professional use. Unlike many pans, this carbon steel wok is pre-seasoned using advanced techniques. It offers a better non-stick start right away. Remember, proper oil seasoning over time will enhance its natural non-stick layer. It's 100% safe and non-toxic, with no synthetic coatings. Crafted from high-grade black carbon steel, it delivers excellent heat distribution and durability. The ergonomic wooden handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip. You'll find it easy to use whether you're cooking on a gas stove or grilling outdoors. This isn't just for stir-frying, it's your go-to for various cooking methods. You can use it for pan frying, braising, deep frying, searing, smoking, and steaming. It's suitable for all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, as well as outdoor setups. Despite its solid construction, it's light enough for easy handling and compact for storage. It's a great addition to your kitchen cookware and camping gear. This carbon steel cookware delivers rich flavor and restaurant-quality results wherever you cook. What we like. This wok brings authentic wok flavor to your kitchen. It's pre-seasoned and ready to use, offering a great non-stick start. If you like to cook both indoors and outdoors, this versatile wok is compatible with various cooktops and even open fire, making it perfect for any cooking adventure. What people say. The wok heats up quickly and evenly. The flat bottom is perfect for my electric stove. Seasoning the wok was easy and straightforward. Number 2. YOSUKATA 13.5-inch blue carbon steel wok. This YOSUKATA wok arrives pre-seasoned, ready to cook with right away. It's been treated at high temperatures using special techniques, so you can start enjoying delicious meals in minutes. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this wok is built to last. The traditional hand-hammered construction ensures it's extra sturdy and can withstand years of use. This wok is perfect for a variety of cooking methods. It retains the natural flavors of your ingredients, making it ideal for pan frying, braising, and deep frying. Whether you have an electric, induction, or gas stove, this wok is designed to work with them all. You can even use it over an open fire for outdoor cooking. The long handle is securely welded for a strong grip. It's designed with a non-slip finish and optimal shape for comfortable handling while cooking. What we like. This wok is pre-seasoned and ready to use. It is made with premium-grade quality for lifetime use. If you are looking for a wok that retains the juice and flavor within ingredients and is suitable for various cooking surfaces, consider this one. What people say. The wok heats up quickly and evenly. The flat bottom is perfect for my electric stove. Seasoning the wok was easy and a non-stick surface works great. Number 1. Craft Wok 14-inch flat bottom carbon steel wok. This is a flat-bottom, hand-hammered carbon steel wok, perfect for both electric and gas stoves. It's a commercial-grade wok, designed for professional results at home. The wok has been a proven choice for many chefs since 2014. The flat-bottom design makes it ideal for flat electric and induction cooktops. It's not perfectly flat, featuring a slight bubble due to the hand-hammering process, which doesn't affect cooking. Remember to season it before use. Crafted in Guangzhou by experienced artisans, this wok is built to last. Weighing in at 4.6 pounds, it's heavy-duty and sturdy, ensuring even heat distribution. The quality is trusted by many professional Chinese chefs. The steel helper handle stays cool, even during high-heat stir-frying, and is great for hanging storage. The wooden handle provides a secure, non-slip grip. It makes the cooking process much easier. Craft Wok is a team passionate about carbon steel woks. Our mission is to bring the joy of stir-frying to your kitchen. We've been providing classic carbon steel woks for 9 years. What we like. This wok is hand-hammered by Chinese professionals, ensuring commercial-grade quality. It's heavy and sturdy, built to last. If you are a serious home cook looking for a durable wok with a helper handle for easy maneuvering, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These woks, 12 and 14-inch, are the best flat-bottom woks available. Their bottoms are not actually flat but bend slightly upwards, reducing the amount of cooking oil needed just as a round bottom wok does. Plus, these woks are made of 15Ga carbon steel which provides better heat distribution up the wok sides. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.